Well, looky what we have here. A brand new MJX. Let's get into it.
Oh, she's coming. Full send. Okay, I'm feeling really excited about getting into this unboxing here. This is the Hyper Go 14211 by MJX. One might say I'm feeling a little hyper. We have a four-wheel drive system, 1/14 scale, Super 2852 brushless motor. We have a 2 to 3S capable 45 amp brushless ESC, and we have a powerful servo. We're going to test that. Oh, and don't forget the gyro. Okay, we got some nice extra white wheels here. Comes with a second set of wheels. You got the black ones that are installed from what I'm seeing in all the reviews, and we have your white ones. I think I might like the white ones better. We'll see though. Got a bag of tools with lots of air. Looks like we have a USB charger in there. We have a screwdriver and your hex wrench or wheel wrench and some little bag of something. Got a couple of bros in there. Maybe a little soft on the suspension, but we'll see how she drives. All right, let's pop the top. You know, first off, I want to say, these headlights, they've been getting a lot of hate online. I think they're pretty sweet. They remind me of a lot of cars that I've actually owned. I grew up in the 80s, born in the 70s, and yeah, this is really reminiscent of what I have driven in my life. And this paint scheme, I know it's familiar, but doesn't it just scream 80s, 70s, and 80s? We have our battery. Nice little Velcro system to hold it in. This is the Angry Snail 3000 milliamp 2S 25C that comes with the car. Nice T-style connector here. We have a fan on the motor. We have our little, little power buttons coming up, but we can fix that. There, good as new. Now it is new. Here's our gyro. Looks like it's set at about 70%. Little wheelie bar installed here. Let's check out the receiver now. Feels good in the hand. Looks like we have all of our steering and throttle trims here. On off. We have our LED lights. We'll check those. But yeah, feels like a nice controller in the hand. Definitely can do this one-handed. And my hands aren't the largest, but they're capable.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, she's wild, guys. She is wild.
Look at this thing. She's nuts, guys. She is completely insane. She really rips, man. She really rips. If you want to give it a little gusto, you hit the gas. Look at that lean. Yeah, swatted it. Really nice, guys. Yeah. Oh! She can take a hit. She can take a hit. Oh, she's coming. Time for some 3S. Alright. Over on Derby City RC, they say you can push the hands. Where's the hand? Alright. Am I doing this wrong? This hand? As you can see, there aren't really any hands in here. It's just kind of like a nub. Let's try this nub. We are registering speed. Let's rock it, guys. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. You don't hit the throttle. My guess, I've been seeing 40, 44, I think is what one of the channels got. So let's see what we got. She's quick, though. Nice brakes. All right, she's got a little sway. Full send. See what we got. 37.9. I don't know, we can do better than that, I think. Here it comes. This is it for all the marbles. Here she comes. I'm going to say 40 on this one. 39.4. Not bad. Not bad, guys. Beautiful sunset, by the way, huh? Oh! She took that hit really nicely, though. Okay, sorry there, girl. Make sure she's all cleaned up. She's down. We got our first couple scratches on the body.